Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to add land in Roblox. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you are logged in and then tap on create from the top menu. Once the page loads, select creations from the left sidebar. This will take you to your list of games or experiences. Next, choose the game where you want to add land. Tap on the edit button and this will launch Roblox Studio, allowing you to make changes directly. Make sure you have downloaded and installed Roblox Studio on your PC. If you do not want to edit an existing game, you can create a new one by clicking on File and selecting New. Here, I will add land in a new project. Now, click on the Terrain menu under the Home tab and then click on Generate from the Terrain editor. Edit your selection settings along with biome settings using the checkboxes for options like Arctic, dunes, mountains, and others. After that, click on Generate. This may take a few moments to complete. You can also edit your land by clicking on the Edit menu. From there, use tools like Smooth, Paint, or Draw to customize the terrain as you like. Finally, once you are satisfied with your design, tap on File and choose Publish to Roblox to save all your changes. This will update your game with newly added land. And that's it. Now you know how to add land in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.